All praises to be Allah, the Supreme Power, the author of knowledge and wisdom. I'm Huda. I want to highlight the efforts of the TopGrade Academy that's helping students in their crucial journey of securing seats in medical and engineering universities. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for this platform. I recently had the pleasure of experiencing your esteemed academy, and I must say that I am thoroughly impressed. The commitment to academic excellence and vibrant supportive atmosphere is truly remarkable. The facilities are top-notch and the enthusiasm of staff and students is inspiring. With comprehensive video lectures, past paper MCQs, practice sessions, or personal analysis, we can easily secure a seat in our dreams institute in limited time. The slides for quick revision is yet another feature that saves time and differs this institute from other institutions. And 24/7 guidance from the teachers and staff is really supportive for the students. I'm excited about the prospect of joining such a dynamic and top-grade institute. Thank you.